Hi, this is Chuck with ABR Industries. Wanted to show you one of the new products we've been working on today. This is a popular cable. It's the ABR316. A lot of the people like to use it for small interconnects, lightweight jumpers, but another market that we actually sell into is for the amateur radio crowd with the portable operations. So we've been selling a number of inline ferrite assemblies for a couple years now. But some of the existing cables out there in the market, what do you do when you're looking for a common mode choke? Here's our solution for it. This is one of our new products with BNC connectors, and it's going to have 5 of the common mode chokes installed on it. As you can see, it's designed to be inline with the BNC Male going either towards the antenna side or towards the radio, and then inline would be a BNC Female. Pretty straightforward, obviously. So this is going to be something new that we're going to be offering. We'll have it at certain shows as well when we attend, and we hope to see you there. So if there's any questions, you could always reach out to us at ABR Industries at ABRIND.com, or you can call us at 713-492-2722. Thanks again, and bye for now.